Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Novelist in Identity V. The Novelist is a fascinating support character, offering unique ways to influence matches. Your main goal is to use your special abilities to control the flow of the game, either by disrupting the hunter or by helping your teammates escape dangerous situations. Understanding and mastering your core ability, Metaphor, is absolutely essential for success. We will delve into how to use it effectively and strategically. Your signature ability, Metaphor, is incredibly versatile. When you use it on a hunter, you temporarily take control of their character for a few seconds while they control yours. This is perfect for moving a hunter away from a downed teammate or a cipher. Alternatively, you can use Metaphor on a fellow survivor. This instantly swaps your positions, allowing you to take a hit for them or help them escape a difficult situation. Timing is everything with this powerful skill. To play Novelist effectively, constant awareness is vital. Keep an eye on the hunter's location and your teammate's health. Use Metaphor to interrupt a hunter's chase, giving your teammate precious seconds to escape or even to prevent a chairing. Positioning yourself strategically near active ciphers or common kiting routes allows for quick, impactful assists. Remember, communication with your team can elevate your Metaphor plays, turning a potential loss into a successful rescue or escape. The Novelist thrives in teams with strong kiters or fast decoders, as your support can amplify their strengths. Be cautious against hunters who can instantly down survivors, as your Metaphor might not always save a teammate in time. Use your ability to counter a camping hunter by swapping them away from the chair, or to protect an injured ally from a follow-up hit. Remember, your unique plot twist trait gives you a temporary speed boost if a hunter controls you, offering a small window for escape.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.